Students, come to our next topic, method of calculation of interest on drawing. We have two methods to calculate it, simple method and product method. In simple method, our formula will apply amount of drawing into rate of interest upon 100 into month upon 12. In product method, we will use the formula interest on drawing into total of product into rate of interest upon 100 into 1 by 12. Now come to our example. Mr. A is a partner in a firm. He withdrew the following amounts during the year ended 31st March 2018. April 30, A withdraw 8,000, June 30, 6,000, September 30, 5,000, December 31, 12,000, January 31, 10,000. Calculate interest on drawing at the rate of 9% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2018. Students, our rate of interest for interest on drawing is 9% per annum by simple method or by product method. Now come to our example. In simple method, we will draw our format. First of all, we will draw the date column, then amount, then period up to 31st March. We will count all periods till 31st March from the date of withdrawal. Then interest. Let's suppose first is amount 30, April 30, 8,000. This will come 11 month. How to come? You will count from April 30 to 31st March. Like April 30. So we will ignore the April 30 because in this month we don't have any day. Come to the May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Now it will come 11 month. So we will use the formula here. Amount of drawing 8,000, rate of interest 9%, 99 upon 100 into month upon 12 means 11 upon 12. 11 upon 12. Now we will charge whole interest, then we will find our total 1710 it will come. Now come to the next by product method. April 30, June 30, September 30, December 31, January 31, then amount 8,000, 6,000, 5,000, 12,000, 10,000, then period 11, 9, 6, 3, 2. Product students here given. Each and everything will be same as the previous method. We will calculate our period same as previous method. Changes here, product column is given and there interest column was given. So we will calculate our product. Product means multiplication. 8,000 into 11 it will come 88,000. 6,000 into 9 it will come 54,000. Then we will add these, it will come 2,28,000. Now apply our formula. Formula is total of product. So total of product is 2,28,000. Then rate of interest upon 100, 9 upon 100 into 1 upon 12. This will come 1710. Student, this method will apply only when the amount of drawing will change. Thank you, students.